Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful Zembaba ring. This traditional craft uses readily available natural materials. To begin, you'll need a fresh, green palm leaf, preferably one that is long and flexible. Make sure it's clean and free from any damage. This simple project requires only one main item, making it an accessible and enjoyable activity for everyone to try. Once you have your palm leaf, the next step is preparation. Carefully select a section and cut a long, thin strip, approximately 1/4 to 1/2 inch in width. The length of your strip will determine the size of your ring. Take your time to ensure the strip is even and smooth, as this will make the weaving process much easier and result in a neater final product. Now for the weaving. Begin by folding one end of your palm leaf strip to form a small loop, which will be the base of your ring. Take the longer end of the strip and carefully thread it through this initial loop, pulling gently to create a secure, flat knot. Continue to weave the strip around the existing structure, gradually building up the desired thickness and shape of your ring. To complete your Zembaba ring, carefully tuck the remaining end of the palm leaf strip into the woven layers. Ensure it is snug and secure to prevent unraveling. Use a small pair of scissors to trim any excess material, creating a clean finish. Finally, gently adjust the ring to fit comfortably on your finger, ensuring it holds its shape beautifully. Enjoy your handmade palm leaf ring.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.